when you don't monitor wastewater loads, you could have some interesting effects on downstream equipment. So if your load increases, you could have more burden on that physical, chemical, and biological treatment stages. You might need more chemical. You might need to monitor how clean the equipment is, or if you need to do any more back flushes. And with the biological part of the system, if you overload it too much, then you could shock the system and it might need days or even weeks to really get back to a healthy level. The biggest challenge in not having data with wastewater monitoring is you could miss an upset, or you could have a leak or something that's sent to the wastewater plant, and so you don't treat for it, and then the consequence is that your discharge might now go up. So you could hit a permit fine, you could exceed your discharge, and ultimately have a negative effect on the environment, which can have a negative effect on the brand, the industry, whatever that plant is that's discharging at that point. So one interesting example of not having data is a plant that we've worked with recently. And there's a challenge of first waiting for data or just not having it at all. Not having it at all, you're blind to how the whole system is running. But oftentimes plants have to wait for data to come back if it takes a long time, or if they're sending it offsite to another lab and then they're trying to wait to evaluate what's going on until they get the data. That's where it's really important to have monitoring involved. And as we look at how these companies can obtain their sustainability efforts, it's really critical to take a look at that monitoring throughout the plant to ensure that there is minimal degradation to the environment from their wastewater process and overall their production process.